everyone, it's Sue Plumb here, and today I am sharing, can you guess, from the box. It's an unboxing video, and if you can't read what that says there, that says Hip Kit Club. This is actually my January kit from Hip Kit, and I haven't opened it yet, and I thought you might like to come along for the ride. So let's get stuck into it and see what is in this month's kit. Now, I usually try not to wreck this tissue paper too much because I like to keep it and use it in layering. So here we go. Oh, look at the colours. Lots of pretty colours. Right, I'm going to get rid of this box. Chuck it on the floor. Now, make sure you're looking at the pretty products and not my nails while we're doing this, because I had the choice. I could have either sat down and done my nails, or I could have done this unboxing video. And I'd much rather do this unboxing video. So, I'm going to put the embellishments aside, and all the papers are actually packaged. So, let me tear into this like a dog tearing into a garbage bag, so we can get these out. Now, I do believe this month they are all Hip Kit exclusives. So, nice piece of backing there so that none of the papers get bent. Okay, so here we go. Hip Kit exclusive. So, this range from Hip Kit is called Kaleidoscope, and let's have a look at the papers. So this one's called Captivating, and it's got this diamond pattern, and then whew, that's a full-on purple on the back. It's kind of a warm purple though. It's got sort of that reddish undertone. So that's that one. This one's called Delightful. It's got that like marble style print on it. Very, very pretty colours. It's got this pattern on the back. This one's called Dream. It's got this sort of, you know what this reminds me of? You know when you used to sit on the phone, and of course you couldn't walk around with your phone in those days because it was attached to the wall, and you used to just doodle and do sort of like Zentangle and stuff like that. But I'd doodle, and I'd sort of, my patterns would look like this. And then it's got a geo on the back, black and white geo. This one's called Expectation. Look at that. Look at the colours. I'm loving the colours. I didn't used to be a purple girl, but I think I am a purple girl now. See the colours in this one. This one's called Imagine. It's very kind of dreamy, watercolory. I like the overlapping colours here. It's got another sort of geo style print on the back of it. It's quite a bit of geo going on here. Oh, a rainbow. How cute. This one's called Incredible. I've got those little rainbows. You want a closer look? Look at that. Love, love, love. And then we've got this one, which has sort of got faded, and then it's got, it sort of graduates out, but it's got a faded spot in the middle. I like that one. The next one's called Intrigue. You can see that's got a cool print on it there. Don't even know what to call half of these. My mind. Oh, another geo on the back. Oh, I'm sensing a theme here. This one's a floral. I like this. It's sort of a very graphic style floral. Like, it's like a printmaking style floral. Very cool. Look, I'll give you a closer look at that. See that? Very good. Black and white geo theme on the back. Okay, this one is called Sensational. It's just like an interesting, random, I like that. Random's my jam. And then we've got this one on the back. Next one is called Spectacular. It's the last one actually. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Pretty. Gonna get some pretty, and then on the back it's got some pink stripes. Gonna get some pretty pages out of this one. Let's see. I'm really loving this colour palette. Like I said, I didn't used to love purple, but I don't mind the old purple now. Okay, let's have a look at these embellishments. So, first up, we've got the die cuts. So it's 60 in this pack. Let's tip them in a bowl, I think. Then we can have a good look at them. That's what's in the package. See all those beautiful colours there again. So we've got words, we've got icons, we've got little phrases. Super fun, very fun. That's what it is. This is fun. This collection's fun. Look. I can have fun with that. Okay. So that's the die cuts, 60 pieces in that. Next we've got these faux wood chipboard stickers. So they do look like wood veneer, but they are actually, sorry if there's any glare, but they are actually chipboard, self-adhesive chipboard. Really cute. I love a good bit of wood on a project. So they are sweet. Now we've got these cardstock fringes, and I can already see that these are in coordinating colours. So there's 7 of these in the pack. That's good because I don't have any fringing scissors. Do you have fringing scissors? So I like it that the fact that the fringing is already done for me. Look at that. It's great. Beautiful. They're fun. I like those. We've got some alphas, puffy alpha stickers. Love a good puffy alpha. So that got that black and white geoprint there to coordinate with the papers. Loving those. Yeah, loving those. Okay, so the couple of extra A. Oh, extra look at that. There's extra vowels on the back of the pack. So we're not just limited to this row of A's, which is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. E's, 3, 6, 8. Oh, that's good. How many Q's do we have? Oh, there's only 2. 2, that's still, really, we only need 1 Q in a pack. But anyway, they're cute. And then we've got these chipboard stickers. So as I said, these are all Hip Kit Club exclusives this month. This collection is called Kaleidoscope. Look how fun these are. You see those? You make me happy. Good vibes. I'm getting good vibes from this kit. Super fun. I can't wait to get stuck into this one. So there you have it. So we've got all the papers, we've got the cardstock fringes, we've got the faux wood chipboard shapes, the die cuts, I've got the chipboard stickers, the puffy alphas. Now this is the main kit only. So this is everything that you get just in the main kit. I didn't get the embellishment kit add-on for this one because I was unprepared, and I'm gonna try and challenge myself to pull in some things from my stash anyway to pad this out, because like I said in one of my previous videos, I've got so much stuff in this room and I really need to start using it up. So I'm going to pull in some of my own extra little embellishments to pad this out, and we'll see what we make with it. So there you have it. Hip Kit Club January 2022 kit, and I'll be back with some projects using this one soon. Bye.